Hey, getaway or breakaway in my case. I'm a crew member that works on board right now in beautiful Dubrovnik, Croatia. I have few free hours and I'm gonna go and check it out. Here you go, let's go. This is a separate episode from Dubrovnik, from this particular visit. So don't expect much from this video. This is not the ultimate guide and I already have a few videos on Dubrovnik. I'm just gonna be walking around, showing you what I see on the way. I'm gonna go and stop by, eat some Burek. So let me show you the beautiful surroundings of port area Dubrovnik. In front of the pier, this is actually the bus station. Very convenient in front of the port, and the downtown is right there, about 2.5 kilometers. Wow, look at this masterpiece. It looks abandoned, but it looks good. Again, this is not the ultimate guide. This is just me walking around, vlogging on the go as a crew member. As you already understand, it works right there, right now as a cruise director. And I have a few free hours and I'm just gonna go and eat something, maybe do some groceries, and that's that. And then I'm gonna be back. And that's what I see around. This is the October vibe. Today is 6th of October, 7th of October, Tuesday, autumn vibe of Dubrovnik. And since I've been here before, I know exactly where am I going to get that Burek, local dish. Behind me, there's a pet shop and Dubrovnik beer company. I believe it's like a beer bar right there. Somebody's cycling, I respect that. In terms of the weather, well, in Celsius, it's I think 16. In terms of Fahrenheit, I believe it's 60 something, maybe 65. Not very good in Fahrenheit, but probably something like that. Anyway, I'm wearing jacket, but it would be okay even in something sleeveless. All right, and again, in terms of surroundings, it's beautiful surroundings here. And there's some church. There's an episode where I basically already got off here and I just walking around and I'm doing some Burek. I'm gonna do this again. Look at this combination of the palm and Pope. This is actually the best timing to cruise, as I think. However, there was already a couple of rainy days during this 11 days cruise, and today is second to the last day. Tomorrow split and the last day. I hope you can hear me. But I think in terms of traveling in Mediterranean, this is one of the best timing, September into October, because you still can get some nice sunny days, maybe without the beach vibe already, but still, you know, for those of you who don't like the heat, that's probably the best period. And that's where my favorite place, Pekara, looks like, called Mlinar. So I got all my stuff here in Mlinar and I'm gonna go find some bench and eat. This is what's going on around. Wow, some ferry boat arriving. So look, I got 2 yogurts and 1 Burek with cheese and spinach, and the other one, a bigger one, only with cheese. Look at my lovely surrounding right here. Wow, it's a beautiful park under some pine trees. All right, now we're gonna transform this to a food vlog. It's amazing pastry with Balkan style pastry with some stuffing. So this one is cheese and spinach. Kind of recommend you for everything. For 2 of those and 2 yogurts. This is basically my meal, my first meal for today. I pay €7.80 or something like that, almost €8. But hey, this is beautiful, delicious. Kind of recommend you. And it's super nice to unwind from working on a cruise ship, and this environment is beautiful. Let me show you around more. Wow, that was amazing pit stop, let me tell you. Now I feel rejuvenated, got some dopamine or whatever it was, that hormone right there of happiness. And let me show you around a little bit, and then I'm just gonna make a little loop right here in this port area, which is actually extending to this little gulf, and then stop by the groceries for a quick pit stop, another quick pit stop, and I'll be back on board. As I always say, back on board where you're not going to be bored. By the way, feel free to consider and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be visiting beautiful places in the world. Some of them I have never even heard, or about the existence of some of them I never even heard before. That's that. So the ship is somewhere there, and this is the Gulf that I was talking about. All right, my quick pit stop here is done. Now I'm just gonna go very quickly do the groceries and just maybe walk around for a bit just to refresh from the ship. Again, I need to already start setting my mind for my vacation, because my vacation is coming up day after tomorrow, but still in the morning of the debarkation I'm going to be working, so there's a lot of things going to be going on, and still I need to do some important things for my reliever, for cruise director that comes after me. And yeah, but I'm going to try to prepare myself for that. For this reason, I need to walk around and just refresh, so I can get back on board. I'm still gonna be having a couple of free hours to just for myself, you know, so I can refresh again, because I noticed the more rejuvenated, fresh am I, the more I can contribute to the operation, the entertainment, busy entertainment operation on one of the mega ships in our company right there. Free public toilet in the park. Respect. Thank you, beautiful Dubrovnik, for this. Again, respect. They have a public toilet just right here in this park. Area of Dubrovnik looks very local. So this park, the public toilet or the restroom, even right here there are some activities, outdoor activities you can do. Yeah, like a little outdoor gym. Here is some, I'm not sure what it is, but it looks like a restaurant. That probably some sort of, that's the market probably. Yeah, as you see, our gym is here, and also there is like some sort of little trading center, whatever, the shopping mall. This is this park. Here we have also ATM machines, the toilet, the groceries. Everything can be found here in close proximity. Look at the cars. European trend, all the cars are small. Stopping by this shopping mall, whatever it is, let's have a look. So there's a pharmacy can be found there, and there's a couple of coffee shops. However, there's one on the corner, I believe just right here, like more like not very commercial right there. And it says cash only, so keep in mind that. And in some places, maybe like a small coffee shops, they might not gonna be taking the cards. That's that. Yeah, I think this is the like a local marketplace. And then here you have some Proa restaurant. On this side, some luxury yachts or some old school boats. And by the way, this embankment has been renovated, so it looks nice, fresh, with the new palm trees. I know I'm recording against the sun. This is how it looks like. So right there's the port. Just gonna walk along this embankment one way, and then the other way I'm gonna lose some calories from eating those lovely bureks. And yeah, I'm gonna head back. You know, I try, oh look at this, I try to detach from the ship, but it's completely impossible. Still, your mind is there, even though I'm going on vacation and puke. Look at this doggo. Look at this combination of the old and new. Some buses like this one with the tourists coming back already. And again, look at this surrounding. Wow. Now I know why they record or they shoot Game of Thrones here, because of this. This one looks a little bit abandoned, but look, you can tell how much history is here. Well, there is a chance that it was renovated not long ago, but this place full of history. Oh wow, look at this, one of my dream cars. If I would buy a car, I would go for this one, Jimny. By the way, never ever had a car in my life. I know how to drive, but I never had a car in my possession. The only vehicle I actually possess, it's my kayak that's right now in the house of my, or garage of my parents, or even my grandma. Don't even know. Anyway, somewhere back home in beautiful Ukraine. By the way, you better support Ukraine, you better support common sense and stay on the bright side, because I'm Ukrainian and I cannot go home because of terrorist state of Russia, and I'm keep on reminding the world about that. So if you for some reason undecisive or you don't know what's going on, then skip this video, goodbye, and stay here with me, stay tuned only if you're on the bright side, and thank you for this. That's where I'm probably gonna turn and go back. If you cross the road, you'll see there's another little shopping mall or whatever it is, and this is the Gulf I was talking about. That's where I came from, and there's another beautiful park here, and that's our ship. Yes, as you see, everything is renovated here. And that's where I've just been. So I'm coming back the same way, just on the other side of the road, passing by these catamarans, boats and stuff. And you can rent it out, I believe, once here. They are available for those numerous excursions. But now it's the ending of the season already, so most of them, they're half empty. But still, a lot of excursions are still running because the weather is still okay here in October. Talking about the tours and excursions. This is serious boat. And that's to show you how crystal clear is this water here, even though it's a port area. And a cruise ship just right there. Passing by this old style boat, but it looks actually new. In close proximity, not like this guy's right here. If you're still watching this, you're probably a really dedicated person, because as you see, I'm just showing you around without any specific scenario. Thank you for this. So interesting how they docked, as you see, few of them in a row. So to get, for example, to that boat, you need to go through this one and then to yours. And if you want to get to that boat, you need to cross 4 of them before you're gonna get to yours, the 5th one in the road right there. By the way, a few words in terms of safety. It's super safe environment. However, I know how to blend in. I'm more than sure I look Eastern European, because I am Eastern European, plus I dress up accordingly to blend in with the people. And I know a couple of words in local language. For example, it's enough to order some burek and stuff. In general, this is a super safe environment. And again, of course, you know, it's a town, it's a city. You need to be careful of your surrounding and stuff. But you know, this is nothing to compare with, I don't know, South America or Latin America in general, or Africa right there. So you should be fine. Just, you know, mind your surroundings. And that's where the ferry boats are taking off. That's the mlinar that I visit for my burek. That's where I have consumed that burek. Mlinar, again, this is the place. What you also can notice about the people here, they are much taller than the people you probably get used to see. So in blending it, keep that in mind. Well, if it's important for you to blend in. And I'm gonna go back on board, and on the way I'm gonna stop by Consum. For everybody, for cruisers and for crew members, this is the nearest big supermarket just right in front of the ship. I'm gonna show you how close. Look, it's just right here. That's the ship, that's Consum. Maybe 5 minutes walking. By the way, it looks like a nice hostel. Not in terms of architecture, but it looks like everything is new. And it's right in front of the ship. Maybe watching this, you needed that information for whatever reason it is. All those 15, 20 of you watching, thank you in advance. Again, consider subscribing if this is what this face is something that you would like to see more. I look like this without the glasses. And right now here a little bit of a renovation, so I'm gonna pause on recording to see how close it is. Alright, so I'm gonna stop by this shop, store, whatever, supermarket on the way. It's not that I need something that much, but I might buy something for the team, maybe for our administrator, maybe just a couple of snacks, that's it, because I'm leaving in 2 days anyway. Hey, get away. Shopping is done. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Check out the videos on cruising, consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next one.